Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer TRX from your Arculus wallet to Coinbase in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. TRX, the native token of the Tron blockchain, is a popular choice, and getting it to Coinbase can open up more trading opportunities. Don't worry if you're a beginner. This step-by-step walkthrough will have you transferring like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and your Coinbase account fully set up and verified. You'll also need some TRX in your Arculus wallet to transfer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Arculus Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your TRX holdings. You should see a dashboard showing your balance. Tap on TRX to select it. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw option, usually represented by an arrow icon. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Before you proceed, head over to your Coinbase app or website. Step 3. In Coinbase, go to your TRX wallet address. You can find this by selecting TRX from your assets and copying the wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Arculus, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to send, and don't forget to review any network fees. Tron transactions are typically fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Step 5. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once sent, you'll get a confirmation notification. Step 6. Monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like TronScan to ensure it's processing smoothly. It should hit your Coinbase account in a few minutes. A quick tip. Always transfer a small test amount first to verify everything works, and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you transfer TRX from Arculus to Coinbase in 2025. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.